The TCL Tab Pro 5G is equipped with a fast-charging 8,000 mAh battery that not only lasts all day but can also work as a power bank to charge up your smartphone or other accessories on the go. To utilize this function, just plug in your on-the-go cable, which is sold separately, and connect your device via its USB-C power cord. The charge will begin automatically. It's as easy as that. TCL's Smart Manager also offers a quick and easy way to manage your power usage and quickly optimize your device. To access this application, just tap the Settings icon, then scroll down to Smart Manager. Here you'll find a variety of power-saving modes that will help keep your tablet always ready when you need it most. I hope this tutorial has been helpful.